Maximize your cleaning power with M.A.X Power Car Wash, the only car wash designed with every cleaning level in mind. Traditional car washes stay pH neutral, no matter how much is used. With M.A.X Power, you can customize the pH level of your car wash from moderate to aggressive to extreme. All it takes is adjusting the amount of formula between 3, 6, and 9 ounces, allowing you to tackle everything from regular dirt and grime to bugs, brake dust, and tree sap. M.A.X Power is also foam sprayer ready for a high foaming wash experience. No matter your wash level, the fragrance-infused formula makes for a pleasant wash routine. With Turtle Wax M.A.X Power Car Wash, you're only a pour away from a game-changing wash that's sure to tackle any and all cleaning needs.